Hi everyone, welcome to Vaibhava English Academy. Today, let us look at Gitanjali Song number 26. Coming to the poem, he came and sat by my side, but I woke not. What a cursed sleep it was, O miserable me! He came when the night was still. He had his harp in his hand, and my dreams became resonant with his melodies. Alas, why are my nights all thus lost? Ah, why do I ever miss his sight, whose breath touches my sleep? Now let us look at the explanation of this short poem. Here, Rabindranath Tagore presents yet another aspect of his contemplation. Gitanjali, we all know that it is a song offering to God. And in each of his songs, Tagore gives us one or another of his contemplation. Here, the poet imagines that the poet is asleep and God visits him. And later on, when he wakes up, the God is gone. So here we can see the tragedy or the pain that the poet feels because he has lost the opportunity to witness God, to be in his presence. But Tagore gives a very powerful message that God is so merciful and kind that he takes care of his creatures even if the creatures are not aware of his love, even if the God's creations are not thankful to him, they are not thinking about God, yet God thinks about all his creations. The poet grumbles that in spite of God being very near to him, he could not see God. He says that God approached him at night and sat beside him, but the poet did not wake up from his sleep. The poet curses himself for not waking up. He further describes that when God came, he was carrying a harp in his hand. Harp is a musical instrument. And God started playing wonderful music. And what happened as a result? The poet's dreams were resonant with melodies. All this happened. He experienced God's presence. He experienced the music that came out of God's harp, yet he did not wake up. The next morning, the poet is hurt with himself that he had lost opportunity of seeing God who was very near him and whose breath could be felt while sleeping. Okay, but then he could not see God. That is the regret. Now, what is Tagore's message to this world? That the omnipotent is so merciful that he is always near his creations, but man is lost in some sort of sleep. That sleep may refer to materialism. Materialism means the man is busy running after something, chasing his dreams, thinking that he has to achieve so much that he does not have time for God. Here, the Indian concept of Maya or illusion comes up. We all know that according to the Vedas, it is believed that the world, the entire surrounding around human beings is just illusion, Maya. Okay, that is also created by God. Okay, once the soul understands that everything around you, every relation of yours is a Maya, the soul tries to come out of it. And only after the soul tries to come out of it, the soul attains moksha. Okay, that is the reunion with the Paramatma. Okay, within this short, simple poem, so many gems of Indian spirituality is embedded. Thank you so much, class. Meet you next time.